We're rolling out our custom wrap lens tint. Stay tuned. Custom wrap lens tint is intended for off-road use only, so today we're going to do this light bar. We're going to start by using grease and wax remover to clean it, and then we're going to protect the rest of the vehicle from overspray. We're going to use the grease and wax remover to take any grease, wax, or dirt off of the light to help the custom wrap stick. Even though custom wrap can be easily removed with a dry towel with overspray or peeled away, we're going to go ahead and protect the rest of this vehicle with some plastic sheathing. So just like any other custom wrap product, we're going to start with one light tack coat and we're going to follow that with 3 to 4 medium coats. Custom wrap lens tint is intended for off-road use only. When applying custom wrap, make sure you're spraying in a well-ventilated area. So that was 6 coats. Now we're going to go ahead and take off the tape and the plastic. So remember, if you're going to take your off-road vehicle back on the road, safety first, make sure you peel off all that custom wrap lens tint. For your ATVs and your show cars, you can leave it on for up to 6 months. At that point, you want to peel it off and you can put it back on. For more information on this product and any other Dupli-Color product, visit our website or follow us on social.